Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question 11 from the June 2025 Regents exam. Basically, it's just a completing the square question if you saw that. But even if you didn't see it, you could still find the answer by just graphing each equation and solving for x. So I'm going to do it algebraically. Remember, you always start with a square with the side of x, and you start it with a rectangle with the side. One side was x, one side was a -6, and you split it. So this represents the split. You split it in half. So this is the length, the new length of the new rectangle is a -3, right? So once I know that, I'm going to square that to complete the square, and then I'm going to rewrite it as x minus 3. So this is going to be x minus 3 squared. And remember, this is equal to 9, positive 9, so I'm going to add positive 9 to this side. So this would be our answer. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you that even if you didn't see the completing the square, because I know a lot of my students struggled, or some of the students struggle with completing the square, you can still get this question, especially in the multiple choice section. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and use my calculator. Now I've already found the intersection. Actually, I'm going to find both. Menu 64 again. Going to come over here. So those are my intersections. So I'm looking for a -3 or 9. Now, if I go and I look at look at the answer choices, I'm going to look at this first one and I'm going to graph it and I'm going to see what the intersections are. It shouldn't be any matches. And then I'm going to go to the second one. Since we know that's the answer, we should see both of those intersections. So let's do it. So I'm going to go here, go to the graph. I'm going to enter the first equation. So it's going to be parentheses x minus 3, x minus 3, parentheses squared. Oops, that was not good. Let me go Control Z. Let me try that again. So, here, here, and then I'm going to go parentheses x minus 3, 3, and then close it. Come on. Come on, Greg, getting sloppy. So let me do this one more time. Delete that. I want a 3. Get outside of that. I'm going to square it. And right, I press enter. That's what it looks like. And now I'm going to put the 27 minus 9. So I press tab and I'm going to do 27 minus 9. Now I could put 18. Come on, man. I could put 18 in there, but I'm going to put 9. And I'm going to do menu 51 to find all right, so there they are. So all I'm going to do is menu 64, find the intersection. All right, so that's a negative. That's not it. So I can stop. I know that's not it because it's supposed to be a -3 and a positive 9. So, okay, I'm going to check the second one. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to use another one, and I'm just going to use the one from last time, right? So that's what the graph looks like. Now I'm going to put in 27 plus 9, and this one should be the answer, 27 plus 9. All right, press enter. Now I'm going to do menu 51 to go find the intersections. Boop, there they are. So now I just do menu 64. All right, so I go here, and guess what? It says a -3, and then I'm going to do another one, and this one should be a positive 9. And it is. So that is the solution. Now, the y value doesn't matter. We're only focusing with the x's, and the x's, the solutions are the same as the original equation we were given. So we were asked to complete the square for. So that's the answer. Now, I know some of you guys may look at that and go, oh, Mister, that's cheating. They should know how to complete the square. But at this point in the multiple choice section, you don't get any extra credit for completing the square. They just want you to get the answer. And because you're able to graph, use that to your advantage. Even if you know how to complete the square, you should check it by graphing it. All right, because I've seen people make a bunch of careless mistakes. But anyway, that's it. I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.